What's up, guys? So recently, well, today, my exhaust kind of came undone on the stacks, and I heard it for the first time without the stacks hooked up, and it's like twice as loud. And I think it's time for a change. Even though these quad stacks are really cool, I think I'm gonna do a either, well, for now, a side exit. Eventually, a dump, maybe. But eventually I want to get a hood stack for it, which will be really sick. So yeah, but so with me taking out the stacks, I'm going to put a toolbox in, which I'm going to clean up, paint black, throw that in, and then do the exhaust. And as you can see, got the top painted, still drying, but it's going to be a matte black. It's going to look like that. I just gotta do the sides and then gotta do the inside because it's pretty rough on the inside. I'll show you, but yeah, I haven't done that yet. I gotta get all that off and repaint it, but yeah, she's gonna look nice. Alright, boys, got this thing painted up all black. Eventually I'm gonna paint the inside black later today after work. Yeah, she looks good. Looks real good. And then I might take these handles out, paint them red, just add something to it. So yeah, I'm gonna paint the inside black. Maybe do some speakers out here. Be cool. So yeah, stay tuned. Just got off of work, as you saw, working in downtown Portland, but just got back. I got the toolbox in here. Looks kind of grayish on camera, but it's black. There's a hole here, a few small ones, so I got some silicone to throw on it so it's waterproof again. And yeah, still got to pin the inside. Inside's looking really rough, so gotta get that looking good. So yeah, let's get this all siliconed up, get her sealed, throw a coat of paint on it, call it a day.